I'm going level this room. So if you see here, I put my laser showed, the bottom transmitter showed quarter-inch from the ground floor. You see, quarter-inch. So this is highest spot. So I will play from this spot. So I mean, from this spot I have to make it even. And if you have a look on this line, you see line. Here is around inch, and then it's going less and less and less, and so around all the way, approximately same level, like this high spot. Also, this side in the closet is lower. So why it's happened like this? Because right here, all the way beam and whole floor is twisted. So what I wanna do, first of all, I will grind, clean up whole place from the mud and dust, and then I will put Primer T. It's specially primer for wood subfloor. So for Mapei, you see this Primer T. Now it's pink color. If you saw my videos for wood subfloor, I'm always using T primer. Instead of for concrete, I'm using L primer. Okay, let's go. So first of all, I need to clean up the place. So here is still not grinding yet, but this room I already take all mud from the floor, make it rough, so it's ready. So now I can apply primer. So first of all, before I do primer, I want to put foam around the wall, and also I want to lift it up, unscrew the heater and put it up a little bit to put foam under. Okay. So here is the foam what I'm using for protect the walls and leave a expansion gap. Gasket foam. I'm buying it in lumber store. You see? So go ahead. And I'm using these staples. I lifted up this heater and now I can put foam under. So now I will check some nails up. I'm using this roller for primer. It's just $7. Easy to assemble. That's it. Now I'm going to set up tripods. Here is tripods, you see. Okay. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. Okay. on this side. You see there is concrete attached plate, bottom plate of tripod, so it's come to the level, you see. Another one not still yet. So here is deep, you see, very deep. And I just smash it. Would make waves and it spread very flat. See? Here is still deep. Here's okay. when you're doing a wood subfloor leveling, keep attention. Sometimes you can't find, before you're doing preparation, some holes, and then when you're doing leveling you can see some light spots. It's concrete leaking to these holes, so just keep very close to your caulk gun and just fill up it just fast, what I'm doing always. So if you have camp, for example, like here, so we have camp, better if it's concrete camp overlap, then we just can sand it when it's dry. When you sand it, it's going to be flat. If it's not overlapping, so you need to patch edges. Now you can see the progress. You see how it's nice and flat. Easy with tripods, easy to set up height and fill up the whole area. You never. Some people said I'm just pour the concrete. It's self-leveling compound and spread by themselves. No. Never believe this. So you have to control how the self-leveling compound leaking. You see how it's now even, it's nice. This hump, I am just slightly, when it's dry, slightly grinding this hump, and that's it. It's gonna be 100% perfect. Just I hold all installers or you who doing leveling, I highly recommend use tripods because it's very nice tools and your job will be so much easier than you doing without it. Okay? Thanks for watching.